Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix Gemini Photo screen problem. So let's see how to fix it. Go to your cell phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down. Now click on apps. Now click on search icon. Type your Gemini. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Now click on clear cache and clear data. Now click on OK. Go back. Now click on force stop. Click on OK. Go back to home screen. Go to your Play Store app and update your Gemini apps. Click on search icon. Type your Gemini. Gemini update is available. Go back and home screen. Open your Gemini apps. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.